Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is our second day in Shillong and we are heading towards Wei Sawdong waterfalls. We have started our journey at 6:30 a.m. and you can see how the light is here, or the weather of this Shillong is quite cold, so I'm wearing this jacket now. So we are going to Cherrapunjee, and on our way we have stopped in a shop where we are having tea.
Yes, and Cherrapunjee is nowadays it is known as SOHRA.
SOHRA, yeah.
So yes, so local people tells it SOHRA, and the name has also changed to SOHRA. So throughout the video, we'll refer it as SOHRA.
SOHRA. Here you can see there are two ways. One is this one. This is the SOHRA road, and from this side we came from Shillong. Now you are going to take this path, the U-turn towards Wei Sawdong Falls. You can see those signboards are here. So if you take a scooty or bike as a rental, then also it will not be very difficult for you to find the route. This road is called Dumpling Road, and this is kind of off-road. We can see the Dantali Falls, but this is not properly visible, but the glimpse of this falls you can see here. There the falls is that. By road you have to come here, you have to stop here, and here you can see this is Wei Sawdong Falls in this way. So to go to this Wei Sawdong Falls you have to take this route, and from here you have to trek for 1 or 2 kilometers.
Okay, so this is a ticket counter.
Yes.
And how much time it will take? Kitna time?
20 minutes लगेगा.
20 minutes. अच्छा.
Within 20 minutes we can reach the falls, but before that we have to trek. Here you can see the path. Those are the stairs. Those are nice, and though we have to trek here, but
you are not feeling any it is not an uncomfortable situation.
Yeah, just you have to go through this stairs. Here you can see a dustbin, which you can see only in Meghalaya. They made this dustbin in a natural way. And in this path also we can see so many dustbins are there like this. Now we are nearby this falls. We can hear the sound, and here you can see this is all natural made. Means those stairs are also natural. You can see those are made by this bamboos and sands and all, which is really nice. From here the path is little bit tricky. You can see those bamboo ladders are there, and those will be little bit slippery as well because water is also there. So let's go to enjoy this moment. As you can see, this kind of stairs are there. So I think if you are young enough, then only come here. Otherwise, if you have child or if you have the older person with you, then please don't come here because they will not be able to come down through these stairs.
Yeah, but the thing is that yeah, if you are old enough, you can come, but you have to be fit enough. And
Yes.
so yes, it is possible to be done by anybody, but you have to you have to be fit enough.
This is the last stairs which you have to cross to see this Wei Sawdong Falls. This falls has 3 steps. So one step we have seen here, and we are going to see the another step.
Hey.
Yay! Now I rest here in the second step. So let me show you the view from here. Don't do this, guys, as bathing is prohibited here. Moreover, this place is risky. Now we are in Wei Sawdong Falls and we are enjoying a lot. So if you will come here in Shillong, then don't forget to visit this place. Then it will be your great loss.
Yes, and we are here in the second step of Wei Sawdong Falls. One more step is here. So we cannot go over there. It is too risky.
And there is no stairs also.
And there is no steps. It is like this. So if you have a drone, then you can have the view of the last step. Yes, but this place is awesome. So it is a heart containing experience.
not that tough, whatever you have seen. So actually I feel dangerous to come down. I got this packet from here, so this is my request to you all that please don't like my video, don't subscribe to my channel, but do it that don't litter this kind of place. So it's up to you that after 10 years this kind of place will be remain same or not. This tree would be not here, then we could see the whole waterfall from here. But
Alas.
unfortunately, I can't. While going down, take a water bottle with you. Finally, we have done it, and the experience was great. Now we got the road, and we are heading towards the Falls. So stay tuned.